Welcome back to No Winning, or welcome to No Winning if you've never been here before. We have another ultimate loss. So we had an ultimate loss. Car was already gonna get dropped. Rolled out of the garage, and I think like a catastrophic failure happened inside the transmission bell housing. So maybe we'll link it in another video where let me come on this side. This pin here that goes all the way across that holds the fork in place, it popped out and it left me stranded, and I had to wait like an hour or something in the middle of whatever, right? So after waiting like a month to get this button to lock it in place, I put the button on, put the pin all the way across, and well, when I went to turn on the car after I put the intercooler on, I heard cling, 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 clang, 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 and I heard it hit the floor, and this was the piece of it here. So what this looks like is this pin that goes all the way across. This is the retainer that holds it in place on the other side of the transmission bell housing. So that means that I can't fit my hand through that little square where the fork is right here. And I'm gonna have to pull out the engine, see how bad this is here, and possibly do the worst and replace the bell housing. I've not seen it on YouTube. I searched everywhere, so we might be the first people ever to do a replacement. Okay, Dad. So yeah, now we have to pull the engine. So we have a bunch of goodies over here that we bought. And now we are going to use the dollies to rotate the car, get the car facing outward. We got the engine hoist so we can pull the engine and start dissecting. So let me start cracking them open and see what we got to do to get the car facing that way now. Right. Oh, that was actually really easy. Oh, I have to assemble it.
Oh my god, I have to put it together.
Wow. I think I have a professional.
I'm gonna have to cut that out.
No winning, bro.
Wow. But you have to put the things on? No.
Wow.
That they were already on the wheels.
Wow. This is great. Look how many of them there is.
Oh, okay, it's a washer, lock washer, and nut. Okay.
I don't know. I'm gonna put. From you is if you can please give us a thumbs up, a like, helps us out, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you. Got to see a 3-person struggle of a complete turnaround of this car, but now I have all my garage space back, and now the last part we have is the engine hoist. We have the engine hoist over here. We're gonna put it together. After we're done putting it together, that's gonna be it for this video. It's just a preparation of the teardown for the car, because like I mentioned earlier in the video, we're gonna have to completely take out the engine and see how bad I destroyed the bell housing. I doubt it's gonna be repairable, so we're gonna have to also drop the transmission and then kind of go from there. So
it's your first time?
It is my first time. And if it's your first time, then you're gonna learn with us, because I'm gonna kind of wing it and see which is the easiest way. But I'm pretty confident that we can pull the engine. Worst case scenario, we'll pull the engine, and then we'll figure out the bell housing later, because I've never done the bell housing removal. I think we have to take off, what is that, the front diff or something?
I'm not sure on that.
I don't know. So we'll figure it out, but that's where we're at right now. And let me get started on assembling the hoist, and then we'll call it a day. So we'll see you back somewhere around here. All right, so you might have seen a little bit of my slight struggle putting this together. I think we did one of the wheels upside down or backwards. We did the bolts in reverse, and yeah, we had to redo everything. So that's how you know this is a part of no winning. But now it's finally done. It's been completed. It's been assembled. That's gonna be it for today's video. We're just kind of preparing for the first time of pull of the engine of Old Blue there from us to do it, not from probably the 20 other hands that's been attached to this car. It's gonna be us for the first time. We're gonna get it done, pull the transmission, pull the bull housing, and just finally get it over with. So if you've made it this far, thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe.